I'm Susan Harrow, Media Coach, Marketing Strategist, and founder of PRSecrets.com. I work with everyone from CEOs to celebrity chefs, from entrepreneurs and authors, so everything they do, say, are, and think from their words to their website are in complete alignment with what they want to promote so they actually get results. I'm going to share today a 60-second soundbite secret. Today's secret is the 5 soundbite M's. Now, the 5 soundbite M's, one of them isn't really an M, someone pointed out to me, is number 1 is make them emotional. The core must move us in some way. Number 2 is make them memorable. You want to have your sound bites to be able to be easily repeatable, so somebody can tell another person quickly, and so they want to write it down. Number 3 is make them memorable. Oh, I just said that. When you make a mistake, just continue on. Number 4, make them mighty. You want them to be tightly packed points. Number 5 is to make them modular, to be able to tell that same story in many different ways to different audiences. So in this way, you can always relate directly to an audience. And number 6 is make them mixable. Some serve the purpose of proving a point, for example. Others are to raise your credibility, to bring in business, and still others are just to create connection and to be entertaining. So these are all what you want to do in the natural course of conversation. So it should never sound like you've said these things before, even if you've said them 100 times or not. So I invite you, if you'd like to learn more about sound bites and media coaching, to go to PRSecrets.com, where I have articles, teleclasses, and an e-zine.